Hi everyone, welcome to episode 18. Today we're going to do one of my favorite meatloaf recipes, which is turkey meatloaf, and a tangy barbecue sauce that goes with it. So let's get started. We've set the oven to 350, that's preheating right now, and then before we get started on the meatloaf, we're going to go ahead and just spray a little bit of olive oil into the pan. Get that ready. This recipe is very simple. It's 1 pound of ground turkey, 1 pound of hot turkey sausage, 1 small onion chopped, 2 eggs, 5 tablespoons of avocado oil, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/2 teaspoon of garlic salt. Okay, so we have all the ingredients in there, so now we kind of just put this all together, smashing it with our hands, get it all in there. And the ingredients is just really simple, and putting the hot turkey sausage in, it just brings out a really, really delicious flavor. We're going to put that into the pan. Okay, now that the oven is ready, we're going to put the meatloaf in for 50 minutes. And while that's cooking, we are going to get started on the tangy barbecue sauce. So we're going to turn the pan onto a medium-high. And so what we're going to start with is I have 2 tomatoes that I peeled and took the seeds out and then pureed it. So we'll start with that. And then 1/2 cup of cider vinegar, 1/4 cup of monk fruit sweetener. We have 1.5 tablespoons of liquid aminos, 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of onion salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. And we're going to mix that up. Stir that in out really good. Let that start heating. Okay, now that the tangy barbecue sauce is all heated up and starting to bubble a little bit, we're going to turn this down to a medium-low, and we're going to let that simmer for 15 minutes. The tangy barbecue sauce is simmered for 15 minutes. You can see how it's cooked down and how it's thickened. So that's all ready, and we're going to set that aside and let that get to room temperature. Tangy barbecue sauce has cooled off. So let's go ahead and put that in a bowl. And you can see how thick it's gotten. It's really nice and thick. So that is our barbecue sauce for the meatloaf. So here's our meatloaf. And let's check that temperature. Yep, 175, 176, And we are good to go. Okay, so we'll let that cool down 10 minutes before we start cutting into that. So let's cut a piece. You know, this meatloaf, what's really nice about it is it freezes up really well, so you can just take it and cut portions and then put it in plastic wrap and then put it into the freezer. And then when you want a piece, then just take it out and have it for lunch or dinner. So there is our meatloaf. And then we're going to put some of that delicious tangy barbecue sauce that we made on there. And there we go. Let's try our turkey meatloaf and tangy barbecue sauce. It is my favorite meatloaf. And the tangy barbecue sauce, once you make it, you'll love it. It just has enough tanginess to it, sweetness, and then just a little bit of heat to it from the cayenne pepper. But it is delicious. Well, thank you for watching, and we will see you on the next episode. Thanks. Bye.